Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix sign up not available. You cannot create an account at this time to use Cash App. Log into your existing account. So guys, if you're trying to sign up your Cash App account in your device but you are unable to sign up, here I will show you how can you do this. So for that you have to simply go back to your home screen. And now you have to open settings in your device, and now scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software update, and make sure that you are using the updated version of software in your device. And after this, scroll it below and tap on iPhone storage, and from here scroll it below and search for Cash App. Here it is, and now offload your Cash App for one time, and after this go back. And now you have to scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management, and make sure that there is no connected VPN in this device. And now go back to your home screen and open your App Store and search here for Cash App. Here it is. So as you have to simply download and install the latest version of Cash App in your device, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you are still facing this problem, then open your browser. You can open any one. Here I am opening my Safari browser and search here for Cash App help. Here it is. So guys, from here scroll it below all the way and tap on contact support. Again scroll it below, and now you have to simply dial this number from your device to get further information and help regarding this problem. So I simply dial this number, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.